Hello kids, today we are going to be talking about parameter of irregular figures. Now I have 3 figures here and that's what we're going to look at today. This first figure that we have, it has straight sides all around. There are 5 different sides. Now if I want to find the parameter, which is the total length around a figure, okay, I'm going to just use a ruler because these are just straight sides, okay. So I can actually put my ruler there and I'm going to just write it down. Now if I measure and let's say this is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 2 centimeters. Yes, to find the parameter of this figure, all I would have to do is to add it up. Perimeter, I would just be adding up all the lengths. Now, if I start from this point, okay, I'm going to go 5 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. Okay, and that would give me 22 centimeters. Okay, if I use my ruler, I measure it out, 5, 5, 4, 6, 2. Okay, I've just given these numbers for easy calculation. Okay, so I can find the total length around this figure just by adding it up. Now, but if we look at this figure now, the sides are not straight. What shall we do? Now, when we have this kind of figure, we will need a string. Okay, so for example, I'm going to mark a starting point there and I'm going to start putting my string around the boundary of this figure. Okay, can you see what I'm doing? And each time I'm done, I'm going to just move it. Okay, I'm going to hold it here and I'm just going to move on. Can you see that my string is exactly on the boundary? Okay, I'm going to hold it there, try to be careful. There's done. Okay, I'm going to go all around slowly, all around till I get back to my starting point there. Okay, I can really just let go of this. I know that it is up to this point and I'm going to mark it there. And how to find the parameter? I just basically have to measure this length of string all the way from the beginning to the dot that I have marked there, and that would give me the total length around this irregular shape. Okay, so I'm just going to put it on my ruler here, start from 0 and to the dot there, that would be 24.5 centimeters. So this irregular shape has a perimeter of 24.5 centimeters. Okay, how did I do that? I use a string. Okay, so same for this last case, this is a leaf. How do we find the perimeter of the leaf, the total length around the leaf? I'm going to also use my string here. Okay, I'm going to start from the end and I'm going to go around the boundary of the leaf. Okay, trying to go as close as possible here. And then I have to turn. Okay, I'm going to be careful as I go. Yep. And the end would be there, which I'm going to mark with my marker. And to find the perimeter of this leaf, I would just have to measure from the beginning to the point where I marked. Okay, let me get my ruler. Okay, I'm going to do that, 0 to that point there. And that would give me 17 centimeters. So the perimeter of this leaf is 17 centimeters. Okay, so that's how we find the perimeter of irregular figures. Okay, if they are straight, we can always use a ruler, but if they are not, we can always use a string to go round the boundary of the figure, and when we straighten the string and measure it, that would be the perimeter.